I welcome to all my programmers in the lecture series of Fundamentals of Data Structure. In today's session, we are going to cover the interesting point is a pointer to array of integers. If you have observed this program, in this we are getting array ARR is being declared and PTR is a pointer which points to the first element of this array. If we are going to display or getting the output of this printf statement, so we are getting the address of base element, and due to this second printf statement we can able to access the elements at 0th location. So in this case a PTR is a pointer to array ARR. But if you want to make that pointers to this array of integer, then what we need to do? We need to make that this bracket or this parenthesis around this indirectional operator is compulsory because subscript have the higher precedence than indirection. So it is necessary we need to enclose this indirection operator and we are giving the name of that pointer inside this parenthesis. So this indicates that the PTR is a pointer that can point to the whole array instead of one element of that array. So such a pointers will be helpful or the useful for multi-dimensional array. So we have discussed with the syntax is data type. Then into the parenthesis we need to give asterisk and variable pointer name, and into the square bracket we need to size. So here it indicates that PTR is a pointer to the array of 10 integers. That's why we need to define the parenthesis over here. So we are saying that PTR is a pointer that can point to an array of 10 integers. So what is the difference among this? Right, here is the simply a array is being declared. P is pointer to this array. So P is containing the address of 0th element. Okay, that we are calling is the base address. And when we say P++, then P is incremented by 2 bytes. So it will go to that next location or the address of A of 1. But in the case of pointers to array of integer, here we are saying that PTR is a pointer to array of 5 integers. So here, while we are saying that the PTR is increased, means what? We are saying that it is increased by the 10 byte location because this is the array which containing 5 integers, right? So this is the basic difference between our pointers to array and this is pointers to array of integer. So this is the quiz that you need to observe that what is happening, right? Here we are saying that P is nothing but a array of pointers. Means we are saying P of 0 is containing address of first integer, P of 1 is containing address of second integer and so on. But in this case, this PTR is nothing but a pointer to array of integer. So it points to entire array. So dear student, I expect do you understand that about what is pointer to array, what is array of pointers and what is pointers to array of integer. Happy learning.